blue-eyed son. Where have you been, my darling young one? I stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I walked and I crawled on 6 crooked highways. I stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? What did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. Saw a highway with diamonds with nobody on it. Saw a black branch and blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men, their hammers all bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns, sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of the thunder roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave could drown the whole world. Heard 100 drummers, hands all blazing. Heard 10,000 whispering, nobody listening. I heard one person starve, I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a clown who died in the alley. And it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? And who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman, her body was burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what will you do now, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what will you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out before the rain starts falling. I walk into the depths of the blackest, deepest forest, where the people are many and the hands are all empty, where the pellet of the prisoners flood in their waters, where the home and the valleys meet the damn dirty prisons, where the executioner's face is well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, soul is forgotten, where the black is color and none is the number. And I'll speak it and think